Today we're solving a right triangle with sides x squared, x screw, and x square. Let's apply the Pythagorean theorem. The square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. X squared squared plus x cubed squared equals x to the fourth squared. Now we simplify each term. X to the fourth power plus x to the sixth power equals x to the eighth power. To simplify, we divide everything by x to the fourth. 1 plus x squared equals x to the fourth. Now we rearrange into standard form. X to the fourth minus x squared minus 1 equals 0. This looks complicated, so we substitute y for x squared. Y squared minus y minus 1 equals 0. Now we solve this quadratic equation. Y equals 1 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Since lengths are positive, we take the positive root, y equals 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Remember, y is x squared, so we take the square root, x equals square root of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Let's check numerically. X is approximately 1.272. Now we verify. 1.618 squared plus 2.59 squared equals 2.618 squared. Both sides equal about 6.86. It checks out.